Greetings everybody and welcome. In this video we are going to be comparing Framer versus Readymag, and this is going to be a head-to-head comparison on official platform G2. So if I head over to individual platform, you are not going to be able to get these type of stats which are collected by data which is provided by multiple hundreds and thousands of users online, and it's going to be providing you the answer that which one to use for your designing. So you can see Framer and Readymag. So first of all, if we talk about the entry level pricing, Framer comes with totally free plan and you do not need to pay a penny for this, so already a win for Framer. And if we talk about Readymag, it does not comes with a free plan. Instead, you are going to be needing to pay $15 per month, and then it's going to be getting started with its activity. So if we simply scroll down, we do have free trial on both of these software, so that's a win. Now if we scroll down, you can see we have meet requirements. So you can see if we talk about the requirements matching, we have 8.2 on Framer, 7.5 on Readymag. Similarly, if we talk about ease of use or ease of setup, we have 8.8 for Framer and 8.3 for Readymag, but the ease of use is a bit more on Readymag. So if you're looking something which is beginner friendly, then you can go with Readymag. Now if we dive more down, you can see quality of support. So if you use support sometimes, then you're going to be getting a really nice support on Readymag. Similarly, we have something, if we scroll down a bit more, you can see we have reverse company size. So if you talk about the company, basically Readymag is a big company than Framer. And yeah, so I hope these stats are going to be giving you the answer that which one is best. If you're looking for something which is beginner friendly, you can go with Readymag, but it is of course paid. So if you are willing to get something for free, you can go with Framer. So this is my comparison for today, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel.